Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the black and white cat from Beanie Boos. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start. So we're going to make them pretty big because they are Beanie Boos. And it's all about the eyes. There, got my circle in. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So I got my two circles in. Let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Now that I have the eyes in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw this oval right beneath, in between the eyes. So about right here, really close to the eyes, I'm going to start with a curve right in the center, bring it down, and then I'm going to thicken it up and create this oval. There, so it's pretty thick oval because we need to fit the mouth and the nose in here. There. Then from there, let's come back to the center and the top, and we're going to draw a curve right in the center and round off the sides to create our nose and bring it down in the center with a point and go right back up. There. And the nose is pink, so I'm just going to leave it and color it pink later. And then I'm going to bring a straight line down by right here and then go up on both sides and cap it off. There. Okay, so now that that is done, let's go ahead. We need to start to frame the face. So let's see here, a little bit easier. I'm going to come to the center of my eye, say about here, and come out about right here. I'm just going to give myself a little bit space. The center of this eye about right here, same thing, and I'll give myself a point here as well, just a little bit. We don't want it too thick, so let's say about right here, right underneath. From here I'm going to go ahead and we're going to just draw a curve, bring it back to here for the bottom of our face. So we're going to curve it out and then bring it in on both sides. So I'm just going to go ahead and curve to this point I've created, so I know this is my center, and same thing here. There, nice big curve. Then from there, let's bring this up. So we're creating kind of this dumpling shape, so it's going to come in and get a little bit narrower towards the top. So let's go up about this high and bring it in. So towards the center, about right here, and then we can go right back down. So when you're drawing big, it just makes it a lot easier if you give yourself points so you know where your lines are going. Okay, so I've created this huge dumpling shape head. I'm going to come back to the sides right here and I'll pop in some ears. So say about right here. I'm just going to, it's easier for my hands. I'm just going to bring a curve down to about right there. Round off the tip for the ears and just bring it curve it down. So nice big ears. And then we're going to come right here and thicken it up. And then this side is going to be thinner. So same exact thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag some points across. So it's about right here where the eye is. And once again, let's go up. And if you want, you can even drag this point across. So you're approximately the same height. Now round off the tip and bring it all the way down. There. And then let's go ahead and we're going to thicken this up. And bring it in. Then from there, let's see here. Oh, before I forget, I need to draw in some whiskers. So I'm going to add, let's see, 2 whiskers right here before I forget. And same thing here. And then there's this tuft of white right in this space. And I wanted to just go ahead and draw that for you. So when you're coloring, you can just leave this part white. So we're going to draw 2 curves right there. And we're going to bring a bunch of zigzags to the center point. Come back down and in. There. And then also the bottom part is white as well. So I'm going to just imagine this curve towards the bottom. But instead of a smooth curve, I'm just going to have to go ahead and zigzag all the way across. Just to make it look like fur. If you're not comfortable doing this, of course, you can just make it a smooth curve. There. Just my attempt at trying to make it look like fur. Might be a little too messy, but hopefully it won't be once I color it. And I almost forgot to draw a curve right here and here above the eye. Now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and work on the body. So maybe the center of my eye, I'm going to come down to about this wide here and here. Go ahead and draw a curve. And I'm going to bring this curve down and down. Now let's see here, let's bring it down a little bit more, so kind of where the arms of our cat. And before I finish that, I'm going to come back into the center space and I'm going to draw the chest, the white tuft of fur on the chest. So once again, I'm just going to zigzag kind of like this towards the center. About here, and same thing here. Zigzag and then bring it to a point. And then from there, we can go ahead and come about right here. We're going to start to draw the arms. So we're creating, let's bring this down. We're going to aim towards the center, but we're not going to pass it. So about right here. Same thing. There. And then let's bring this in to connect for the paw. I'm just going to connect it. There, round it off, and I'm going to come about right here and just break it up. A bunch of zigzags and then draw 2 curves right here and here. There. And in between, whatever space you have left, about right here, you can add a little curve. And then the back, so come out about right here. We're just going to draw a small curve coming down. And about right here, just zigzag a little bit. And we're going to pop in a foot. And 2 curves. So same thing on the other side. Curve, then zigzag. Pop in a little curve. About there. And curve. There. And then last but not least, let's add a tail. So let's say about right here. I'm going to go up, round it off, and bring it in. And then about right here towards the tip, let's zigzag again. There. So hopefully I haven't forgotten anything. And oh, of course, I need to add a heart right into this space. to make this my Draw So Cute black and white cat inspired by Beanie Boos. I really hope you love this cat and I hope you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.